Hi, my name is Michelle Garzon Rodriguez. I was born on June 6, 1998 in Bogota. My nationality is Colombian. My phone number is 314-670-6373 and I am 22 years old. He is my boyfriend. He was born on January 3rd, 1999 in Bogota. His nationality is Colombian. His phone number is 322-929-1975 and his nickname is Charlie and he is 22 years. She is one of my favorite singers. Her name is Andrea Echeverry. She was born on September 13, 1965 in Bogota. Her nationality is Colombian. I don't have her phone number and she is 55 years old.